Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Yvonne Bonkers. And on this day in 2010, the SpectroMagic Nighttime Parade ended its run at the Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World. SpectroMagic began in 1991 as a replacement for the Main Street Electrical Parade. It was a new offering for Walt Disney World's 20th anniversary celebration. Mickey Mouse and the SpectroMagic SpectroMen created the power of SpectroMagic, 1,000,000 points of musical light. During its 17-year run, the parade had 23 units with multiple configurations. Hard to believe it's been gone 15 years. Did you see it? Did you love it? I sure did. Anyway, have a magical day.